last time, we told you how 99% of the missiles Iran launched at Israel were intercepted. But did a real-life princess actually bring some of them down? Here's Jim Murray.
Social media posts claiming that Princess Salma bint Abdullah, the third child of King Abdullah and Queen Rania of Jordan, shot down Iranian drones that had entered Jordanian airspace en route to Israel, have gone viral. Although she is a pilot of the Royal Jordanian Air Force, his social media posts are right. In this video, I will discuss whether Princess Salma bint Abdullah shot down Iranian drones. Keep watching video till the end and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started video. Princess Salma bint Abdullah, born 26 September 2000, is the second daughter and third child of King Abdullah II and Queen Rania of Jordan. She was born at King Hussein Medical Center at Amman. She is part of the Hashemite family. She attended the International Amman Academy as a 12th grade student. Princess Salma graduated from the International Amman Academy on 22 May 2018. In November 2018, Princess Salma graduated from the Royal Military Academy Sandhurst. She was commissioned in the Jordanian Armed Forces as a second lieutenant on 24 November 2018. She graduated from a short commissioning course and became the first female jet pilot in the Jordanian Armed Forces in 2020. The princess graduated from the University of Southern California with a BA degree in archaeology in 2023. In December 2023, Salma, as a first lieutenant in the Royal Jordanian Air Force, joined an aid flight to resupply the 41-bed Jordanian Field Hospital in northern Gaza. The Royal, a first lieutenant in the Royal Jordanian Air Force, was among the crew of the aircraft, which was flying under royal directives. Boxes containing medical and therapeutic supplies were unloaded by the aircraft crew, ensuring the hospital's operations were uninterrupted. The armed forces have confirmed that they will continue to offer various forms of support and assistance to Palestinians in Gaza, who are struggling under the harsh conditions they face due to the ongoing Israeli war raging in the Strip. Queen Rania has spoken of her pride after the graduation of her youngest daughter. Earlier this week, Princess Salma, 22, graduated from the University of Southern California with a degree in archaeology. Both her parents, King Abdullah II and the Queen, were in the U.S. for the ceremony, where they watched the princess collect her degree in robes embroidered with the Jordanian flag. Queen Rania spoke of her pride at watching the young princess graduate. "So proud to celebrate my Salma's graduation. I can't wait to see what you do next. Congratulations," she wrote on Instagram. Princess displaying the Jordanian flag on her robes, as well as embracing her father and smiling with her mother. Princess Salma is no stranger to achievement. In 2020, she became the first young Jordanian woman to complete preliminary pilot training on fixed-wing aircraft, the Royal Hashemite Court said. Her brother, who is a first lieutenant in the Jordanian Armed Forces, took to Instagram to congratulate his sister. "Brilliant and hard-working as always," he wrote. "Congrats on receiving your wings, and here's to more success and achievements." Princess Salma, however, is not the first female to graduate from the UK-based military academy. Her paternal aunt, Princess Aisha bint Hussein, was the first Arab woman to attend Sandhurst and graduated in 1987. She later went on to serve in Jordan's Special Forces. Amid fresh tensions between Iran and Israel, social media posts claiming that Princess Salma bint Abdullah, the third child of King Abdullah and Queen Rania of Jordan, shot down Iranian drones that had entered Jordanian airspace en route to Israel, have taken over the internet. Here's the truth. Princess Salma of Jordan shot down 6 Iranian drones, the viral post said, carrying a photo of the 23-year-old princess's photo in Jordan's Air Force pilot uniform. However, the photo which is being widely shared is from 2023. As confirmed by multiple news articles from last year which carry the same image. After the posts went viral, X, formerly known as Twitter, added a community note, the platform's feature that allows users to add context and fact-check misleading and fake posts. To one such claim. Princess Salma of Jordan leads Air Force initiative to airdrop medical supplies in Gaza. It was published on 15 December 2023. Propagandists are circulating digitally altered news articles to set their propaganda over the escalating conflict between Israel and Iran, it added. In December last year, Princess Salma was part of the contingent that airlifted aid to a Gaza hospital. The princess, who is a first lieutenant in the Royal Jordanian Air Force, dropped aid to the 41-bed Jordanian Field Hospital in northern Gaza. The 23-year-old became her country's first ever female pilot in 2020. The social media platform X accounts that are verified, including Mossad Commentary and Rasmussen polls, had also shared the false claims. For more interesting videos, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.